Welcome back to the InfoFlex. Today we are diving into the world of display interfacing, specifically how to connect a 16x2 LCD to an Arduino Uno, an ESP32, and an ESP8266. This is a fundamental skill for any electronic enthusiast, and I will walk you through everything you need to know from wiring to code. A 16x2 LCD, as you can see here, is simple and cost effective way to display text. It's perfect for showing sensor reading, status messages, or any other information you want to present in a clear and concise way. Let's start with wiring. The connections are pretty similar for all three boards, with a few minor differences. First, connect the I2C module to the 16x2 LCD. The I2C interface significantly reduces the number of wires required, simplifying the wiring process and leaving more room for creativity in your projects. Connect the 16x2 I2C LCD display to an Arduino as follows. Connect the VCC pin to 5V on Arduino. Connect the ground pin to ground pin on Arduino. Connect the SDA pin to A4 on Arduino. Connect the SCL to A5 on Arduino. We will use the same code for all three controllers. First, install the required libraries. Upload the code to Arduino. You can see the text is displayed on the LCD. Now we will interface the 16x2 LCD with ESP8266. Connect the VCC pin to VN on ESP8266. Connect the ground pin to ground on ESP8266. Connect the SDA pin to D2 on ESP8266. Connect the SCL to D1 on ESP8266. Upload the same code. And you can see the text on the LCD. Now we will interface the 16x2 LCD with ESP32. Connect the VCC pin to VN on ESP32. Connect the ground pin to ground on ESP32. Connect the SDA pin to GPIO21 on ESP32. Connect the SCL pin to GPIO22 on ESP32. Upload the same code. And you can see the text on the LCD. As you can see, the LCD displays the same messages on all three boards. The code is very similar with just the pin definition changing. That's it. You have now learned how to interface a 16x2 LCD within Arduino, an ESP32 and an ESP8266. This is a fundamental skill that open up a lot of possibility for your projects. You can now display sensor reading, status messages and much more. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video.